Hi everyone, Kennedy here from Our Friendly World, and today I'll be showing you how to crochet the treble crochet stitch, also known as the triple crochet. I'm going to be working my treble crochet into a foundation chain, but the same technique applies if you are working in the round. So I'm going to be working into the 5th chain from my hook, but make sure you're working into whatever stitch your pattern indicates. To create the treble crochet, you're going to yarn over twice. So I'm going to yarn over once and twice. So now it looks like there's 3 loops on your hook. Insert your hook into the designated stitch or chain, yarn over and pull up a loop. Now you have 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through just the first 2 loops. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops again. Now yarn over and pull through the final 2 loops. And now you've created this very tall stitch called the treble crochet. Let's do that again. You're going to yarn over once and twice. Insert your hook into the designated chain or stitch. Yarn over and pull up a loop. And now you should have 4 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops. Now you have 3. Yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops. Now yarn over and pull through the final 2 loops. And that's how you create the treble crochet. You can see that this stitch is really tall, which gives us a lot of height in our row, but it also leaves a big gap between the stitches. The turning chain for a treble crochet is typically 4 chains. So when you reach the end of your row, you're going to chain 4, flip your piece, and now create your treble crochet in the first stitch of the round. So yarn over twice, insert your hook and pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2 loops a second time, yarn over and pull through 2 loops a final time. And that's how you create the treble crochet. And this is what a finished swatch of all treble crochet stitches will look like. For more crochet tutorials and to learn how to make these other stitches, be sure to hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching!